Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by mounting the Swift and placing the skein. Clamp the Swift solidly so it won't tilt. A wobble ruins even winding. Once mounted, locate the skein's ties and slip one loop over the Swift arm, keeping the yarn untwisted to prevent tangles. Next, bring the yarn to the ball winder and attach the tail to the winder's spindle or clip. Make sure tension is light but consistent. This gives an even center pull ball that won't collapse when you knit. You now focus on steady winding and tension control. Turn the ball winder handle with a smooth, consistent motion. Sudden speed changes create dense spots. If your winder has a tension knob or you use a separate guide, tweak it so the yarn feeds with gentle resistance, enough to form neat layers, not so much that fibers compress. Keep an eye on the Swift. If arms start to sag or yarn snags, pause and reseat the skein. Once the core builds, keep winding. You finish by cutting the yarn with a 6 to 8 inch tail and tucking that tail into the ball center or tying it off for transport. Remove the ball from the winder spindle gently so layers stay neat. If it skews, reshape by hand. If you notice uneven density or a collapsed core, make one corrective pass. Loosen or tighten tensions slightly and rewind only the affected portion. For persistent snagging, inspect Swift arms and pilot holes. Remove debris and retie the skein to prevent repeats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.